Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a everyday makeup routine. So this is the makeup look I literally wear every day to school, to work. So this is basically the makeup look I do every day. Like, it looks worse than this because in the mornings before school I have way less time, but yeah. So if you'd like to know how I do my makeup for an everyday basis, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by just spraying my face a little bit. I'm just going to rub this into my face because I'm literally too impatient to wait for this to dry. Anyway, now I'm going to take my simple moisturizer. But yeah, the reason why I use rich moisturizer, not the light one, is because my skin is actually really dry. I used to always think I had like oily skin, but I just definitely don't, because my skin is like always flaking from like bits. So yeah, I definitely have dry skin, I think. But then it gets oily during the day and also dry, so maybe I have combination skin. You know what? I don't know. Brush my eyebrow hairs into place because they're literally caterpillars. So for foundation, I'm going to be using this new one which I've got. But foundation, I literally use any foundation, so either will be out of 3 or 4 foundations. So one of them is the Fenty Beauty one, which I normally wear for like days where to look more put together and like feel like making more of an effort. But I also got this one. This is the Ordinary Colours Serum foundation. So the coverage one is more matte and more higher coverage, but this one is serum, so it's really lightweight. And also Ordinary have really good, like a really good colour range as well, which I think is really good. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender. I always forget to wet my beauty blender and I still can't be bothered, so I'm just going to spray it with, but now I'm just going to blend this all into my skin. And you will see how like nice and lightweight this foundation is. Also, look how nice and dewy this foundation is. Tomorrow I have a driving lesson at 7 o'clock in the morning, and then from there I'm going straight to work. I'm pretty sure I'm seeing my cousins afterwards, which I'm so excited about because I haven't seen them for ages, so I'm so excited about that. Sunday we are dropping my sister back off in Southampton because she's going back to uni. I want to do some shopping in Southampton, so yeah. And then on Monday I have to go back to London for Storm, so me and my mum might stay in a hotel in London. Oh, by the way, I'm just doing like a little tiny bit of concealer just on like any blemishes I may have. On an everyday basis, concealer, I do it sometimes. It depends how bad I look, how much sleep I get. Okay, then I'm going to lightly powder my face actually, but before I do that I'm going to add some blush. This literally is one of my favourite products ever. Like, I can't tell you how much I love this. I really don't know if you can buy this anymore because I got it on Beauty Bay when it was at the sale bit, so I don't know, maybe you can. But it's the BH Cosmetics Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale, my girl Sharpay cream cheek and lip tint. I've tried to use this as a lip tint and it's not that great, but as a cheek tint, oh my gosh, it's the prettiest thing. Literally just apply this to my cheeks, and this gives like the most natural looking like tint to your skin. Absolutely love like this orangey shade on me, like I think it really suits me. Yeah, that's what I do. I also do this before powder because it's a cream product, so like it doesn't sit well on top of powder. And then I also go with this and apply this around like my forehead and stuff, just really lightly. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin. I just literally love this product. And then for powder, I'm using my Bed Nye banana powder, and then I just go like under my eyes, on my eyelids, on my forehead. These are like areas that get oily during the day, so I have to set them. And then I lightly go over the blush, just to set that so it's not like sticky on my face. I just lightly go over it. You know what, we'll do highlight now. For the moment, I'm really loving the Becca Champagne Pop one. So I'm taking this on a brush, and then I just like, oh my god, that's not natural. So yeah, I literally just do like a tiny little bit, take it up to my brow bone as well. So now it's time for my eyebrows. This combination, which is this shade here in the Chocolate Bar palette and my Zoeva brush. One eyebrow done, kind of. Just add a little bit. I really want to learn how to do my eyebrows more natural, but I feel like they go from like one extreme to the other. All I do is I literally take my brush, make them appear a little bit thicker like that, and then I go in with the front. So now all that is left is mascara. Sometimes I will add like a bronzy colour through my crease, but today we're just not going to do that. I'm literally just going to do mascara. So I'm using my favourite combination, which is the Isla Eyelash Curlers and Kiko Unforgettable Mascara. This combination is so good. Okay, I've curled my eyelashes and now time for mascara. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Oh, and normally I will do lip gloss or like a lip balm. So today we're just gonna do lip balm. So let me just go grab that. So today's lip balm of choice, this is the Tony Moly Bobo lip balm. It literally looks like a little kiddie's lip balm. Just something that makes my lips feel like hydrated. So guys, that's pretty much it for this everyday makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, when you are watching this video, there is one more day till the giveaway ends, so make sure you go and enter, because this is literally your last day, because the winner will be announced tomorrow. So make sure you are following my Instagram, Kim K Man Beauty, because the winners will be announced on that. So yes, anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.